In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your ClickUp workspace connected to your Notion pages so that information can move more smoothly between the two tools. First, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account in your browser. Make sure you're using the workspace where you actually manage your tasks and projects, because that's the one you'll be connecting to Notion. Give it a moment to load fully so all the options in the interface are visible. Once you're inside ClickUp, move your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is the main navigation column. Here you'll usually see things like Home, Notifications, and your spaces or folders. Look towards the bottom or middle section of this column for an option labeled More. This is where ClickUp keeps extra features and integrations that don't appear in the main list by default. Click on More to expand that menu. When the expanded menu opens, look for an option called Apps. This is the section where ClickUp lets you connect with other tools and services. Go ahead and click on Apps. If this is your first time here, it might take a second to load as it pulls in the available integrations. Inside the Apps section, you'll see a collection of different services that can connect with ClickUp. Scroll through the list until you find Notion. The icons and names are usually clear, but if you have a lot of integrations available, you might need to scroll slowly or use a search bar if one is visible. Once you spot Notion, click on it to open the Notion integration details. On the Notion integration page, you'll see a button that says Connect. This is what starts the linking process between ClickUp and Notion. Click on Connect. At this point, you may be redirected to Notion or see a pop-up asking you to authorize ClickUp. Make sure you're signed into the correct Notion account in your browser so that you can continue smoothly. Next, you'll be asked to select the Notion pages that you want to connect with ClickUp. Click on Select Pages, then choose the specific pages or workspace sections that make the most sense for your workflow. You can limit access here, so ClickUp only connects to the areas you actually plan to use. Once you've made your selections, confirm and complete the process. The setup is usually very quick, and after a few moments, your ClickUp workspace will be successfully integrated with the Notion pages you selected.